Good morning! Welcome back again to another episode dito sa aking channel. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta kayo? My name is Norman and welcome to Norman Explores. Guys, question. Sino na sa inyo ang naka-attend ng gender reveal? Yes, gender reveal kasi may nag-invite. Siyempre, makikikain na naman tayo. But more than anything, this is my first time na maka-attend ng isang gender reveal celebration. Kaya, I'm excited. Mamayang hapon. So yun. Ano ba ginagawa sa gender reveal celebration? Tara, punta tayo. Tara, let's go. Punta na tayo sa party.
Alin meron eh?
I'm wearing blue, hoping my guess is correct.
Apa?
Si Claire, no? Yeah. Super excited. Sana tama yung hula ako. Ayun, at least may kukwento na ako sa mga tao kung ano ba nangyayari sa gender reveal celebration. Before kasi napapanood ko lang sa TV or napapanood ko lang sa YouTube. But now first hand experience it. And I'm so super excited. Finally, ayan, may mga kasama na kami ng gagawin. Sarap yung pagkain. Lalo yung bulak. Gender reveal na sila. Tignan natin.
Comment na to para mag-witness nila kasi sila kami nila matagal namin kasi 9 years na kami this December. Ayun, man, ito so lang nagtatanongin kung pwede ba ako yung makasama mo habang buhay.
Why
And that's a wrap of the gender reveal event na pinuntahan natin. Nako, maraming salamat kay Sharon at kay Dana. Also kay Ate Beth at kay Kuya Vincent. Guys, thank you so much for inviting me over. It was so kind of you. Nakakatuwa. Ganun pala yung expectation, or should I say, ganun pala yung nangyayari sa isang gender reveal event. Nakakatuwa, ang saya, ang dami nangyari. Again, kay Shannon at kay Dana, maraming salamat and congratulations sa inyong upcoming baby, but most especially congratulations doon sa inyong upcoming wedding as well. So I'm expecting sabay na siguro yan. Nakakatuwa, and I think all of the people inside that event was so happy, but more importantly, nung pinaalam nyo na, ni-reveal nyo na kung ano yung gender ng magiging baby niyo, I think this is the first din sa inyong family within that circle na mayroong magiging baby girl. So you are expecting for a little princess. At syempre yung drama towards the end, ito yung proposal naman ni Sean. Nakakatuwa. And mind you, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko, catering service. As in, ang sarap ng pagkain. Again, kay Sean at kay Dana, thank you so much. So guys, kung nagugustuhan nyo itong video na to, please like, comment, and share. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na din. So again, maraming salamat at see you sa mga susunod na video dito lang sa Norman Explores.